Today we are meeting this young man who is 57-year-old. He traveled all the way from Essex, which is well over 125 miles, and he came for his angiokeratoma of Fordyce treatment. Angiokeratoma of Fordyce are a scrotal skin disease which basically shows multiple dark, purplish or sometimes bluish black lesions on the scrotal skin. And we treat angiokeratoma in our clinic. We first carry out the patch test, and if the patch test is successful, then we do the rest of the scrotal skin treatment. This gentleman, he came to us well over 3 weeks ago, and he had a patch test done, and here he is. Let me ask his opinion about the consultation that he had and the treatment, the patch test treatment that he had, his experience. Hi.
Hello. Yeah, the patch test just about 3 weeks ago, I think. Apprehensive at first, but the treatment was very good. I found it very successful for me. Healed up very quickly. When I left the surgery, quite painless. And I now don't have those little, I describe like a blood blister type thing on me. They've all gone in that patch area, and obviously now I've come back for the full treatment.
Full treatment, yes.
Yes.
So going back to the consultation process that you went through in your last visit 3 weeks ago, how did that all go?
The consultation, I was very pleased with it. You explained it very carefully to me. I felt quite trusted in your hands. I'd already researched you because I wasn't become blind, so I had already researched you anyway on the internet. And all the results I seen were quite positive.
So you're happy with the...
Yeah, very happy. Yeah.
And you also understand this angiokeratoma is a progressive disease. Even if you have the full scrotum test treated, in future you have a high risk of them returning.
Yeah.
And if it returns, either you contact local clinic or you come back to us whenever there is a recurrence, which may take a few months to a few years.
Yeah, I'm hoping I will. Obviously, you did explain it's a recurring condition that could come back, and you can't predict how long that would be.
Yes.
I'm hoping, because I'm 57 now, and it's taken about maybe 10 years for them to get to the stage I was at, so hopefully I've got a few more years before they recur.
Sure.
But obviously if they do, then I'll just get more treatment.
Yes. So coming back to angiokeratoma itself, angiokeratoma is also called as Angiokeratoma of Fordyce, and they occur on the scrotal skin. They can also occur elsewhere in the body, including your limbs, on the elbow surface, on the knee surface, and on the trunk, and so on. We don't treat them here at our clinic, but we do treat genital angiokeratoma. Genital angiokeratoma occurs on the scrotum in men and around the vulva in female. Occasionally it can be painful. In case of this gentleman, it was a little bit occasionally painful, but generally they are painless condition, but it can be painful. Yes, if you have angiokeratoma and you're watching this video, go and see your GP, see what help and support you get. But if you don't get enough luck and joy, you can always contact us, and we'll carry out a patch test and then followed by the full scrotal treatment if the treatment was successful in the patch test. That's about it about the Fordyce spots. But if you have any further questions, you can always get in touch with us through email or connect on the WhatsApp, which is our clinic number. Thank you.